Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Almost DIY. Today, I'm going to unbox and test this Ozito 100A Gasless Inverter MIG Welder kit. In this video, I'll show you what comes inside the box, how to assemble it, how to install the welding wire, and finally, we'll do a quick welding test. So let's get started. First, let's open the box and check everything inside. The machine looks compact and lightweight. This welder is designed for DIY projects and small fabrication jobs. Inside the box we have the MIG welder, welding torch, earth clamp, wire brush and chipping hammer, shoulder strap, welding wire, face shield, and the instruction manual. Everything is packed nicely. Now I'll quickly show each part. The machine is compact, portable, and suitable for beginners. You can use it for small projects like gates, frames, tables, and general home DIY repairs. While welding, let's do another pass here. The wire feed looks smooth. Not bad for a small gasless welder. So that was the Ozito 100A Gasless Inverter MIG Welder Kit unboxing and first test. Of course, always use proper safety gear like gloves, long sleeves, and a good welding helmet if possible. Now I'm going to assemble the face shield following the manual provided in the box. The assembly is pretty simple and only takes a few minutes. Just attach the handle here, then fit the dark lens into position. And now the face protector is ready to use. Here we have the wire brush and hammer for cleaning slag after welding. This is the welding torch. This is the earth clamp which connects to the metal workpiece. Next, I'll install the welding wire into the machine. First, open the side cover. This is the gasless flux core welding wire. Now place the wire spool onto the holder carefully. Make sure the wire feeds in the correct direction. Next, release the tension arm and feed the wire through the guide. Then insert the wire into the liner leading to the torch. Now close the tension arm gently. After that, I'll turn on the machine and slowly feed the wire through the welding torch. You can see the wire coming out from the tip now. Finally, tighten the tip properly and the machine setup is complete. Before welding, connect the earth clamp securely onto the metal piece. I'm using some scrap steel for testing. Always make sure your work area is safe and well ventilated. Overall, it looks like a good beginner-friendly welder for DIY work and small projects. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and support the channel.